Every project starts with a good environment setup. So in this project and in this course, we'll need setup environment first and go on hands-on coding. So we need two things. First is Node.js, which is available at nodejs.org website for your choice of device. So you can go and download. I've already downloaded it. So the second is Visual Studio Code, my favorite code editor. So you can go to this website here, and download it for free for your device. Now I'm pausing the video, and after you download it, we will continue showing you something on Visual Studio Code. I assume you have already installed it. So I'm going into Visual Studio, and from the section extensions, I'm searching for eslint. So eslint helps us for hints and other warnings and other things for JavaScript. I've already installed it. After you install it, go to File and Preferences and Settings. Here type on save and click here, format the file on save if it is not clicked. Secondly, we need prettier. So prettier is a tool which prettier our code, as its name is implied. So just download it. On save, it will just prettier our code. So I guess this is all for environment setup. We will move on for coding in the next video.